That was a big web strung up between two trees that were at least 10 feet apart. Imagine being on the trail and running into that. That would suck. Well, I really hope that this dirt road goes all the way through this forest because the GPS is telling me to take it for 12 miles. I have a feeling that it's going to be a long 12 miles because this car doesn't handle very well on dirt roads. During the summer, this is fine, but during the winter, these roads might not be passable, which presents a big problem while trying to road trip in the winter using Google Maps as a GPS. I'm in a patch of trees off the coast. It's really windy out here, but man, I love Lake of the Woods. Ever since high school, I've absolutely loved it. I haven't been down to this part before. I went from the topmost part of Minnesota, which is the part that's connected to Canada. You can only get to it through Canada. And I went from there and canoed into Canada, and we stayed on a bunch of islands out there. It was awesome. Busted out the old hat. I put it on because my hair is all over the place. I need another haircut. Oh, there is sand all over everything. All right, where is the next place? It's Franz something. Franz Jevny. Franz, probably some French word. I just got a text message from AT&T saying, "Welcome to Canada. Data rates are $2.05 a megabyte." That's crazy. I'm not in Canada, by the way. That's still Zippel Bay. The book says to follow the road to the sign for Hike-In Campsite 15 in the second campground loop. Okay. I am looking. Well, I found where the trail starts. Now I just gotta figure out where I'm supposed to park. It might have been back there. I'm just gonna park here. It's before 15. I don't know if that's what this is for, but I'm taking it anyways. I won't be here for that long. That little parking area is before campsite 14. The trail is right here for 15. So I'm just gonna call this park Franz J because I don't speak no languages. I don't know how to pronounce it, just like with a lot of other things. That and my kind of mush mouth doesn't like to pronounce things properly in the first place. So here at Franz J, we will see the river here, and on the other side is Canada. I have been to Canada, but only once, and that's when I went to the Canadian side of Lake of the Woods. River's on the other side of those trees, so that's north, and it says to go west. So let's go west. Well, I guess this is campsite 15. And another park down. Now we just have to head back the way we came. It's a nice place. I might have to consider staying out here another time. But the epic journey is not over, so we must continue on. We've made it to Big Bog SRA. So there's a long boardwalk over yonder, and that would be the club trail here. If you're using the GPS to get here, just note that it's probably trying to bring you a lot farther away than you need to go. Look for the boardwalk area. Another 5 miles and I'll get my 175-mile patch for the hiking club. Nice. All right, let's go a mile back on this boardwalk to get out of the bog, and I think I might stay at a hotel tonight if I can find one. Otherwise it's off to a campground. I'd like to charge some stuff, take a shower, maybe sit in a hot tub. Please have a hot tub. That would just be fantastic. Hey guys, got a hotel for the night. Wow, my face has got even tanner. That's interesting. It has been about a week of camping and hiking already. So this is my break night, and then I'm back to it. I've got about 10 more parks left to do. And then I might just go to Summit Carlton. If you saw on the SHT videos, I skipped over Carlton Peak. I might end up going back to the North Shore to do that because, yeah, for the most part I'll be in the area. And then I'm supposed to be doing Eagle Mountain as well. That's in the Boundary Waters canoe area. So I will probably do that while I'm down there. So tack on a couple extra days onto this trip. So it should be around the amount of time that I said, or initially 11 days. I'm passing through these real quick. Anyways, I should probably go get something to eat because I haven't eaten anything but crap for the last week. So let the good times roll. Guys, if you like these videos, please like and subscribe. Every single person counts. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave a comment. Until next time, remember, life is an adventure, so go out there and start living.